Hi guys, with another video. Previous video I just showed you this iMac A1312 had a graphic card problem. I did the previous video. I was showing that. In this video I will show you that I cooked graphic card and I put inside, and let's check it out with you guys. That now it's working. There is no problem at all, and loading very well. There is nothing wrong. Problem was the graphic card. I cook the graphic card on 380 Fahrenheit degree, and I put the oven. I had a small oven. Previous video I just showed what kind of oven I was using, and yeah, I cooked that 8 minutes. You can do the 9 minutes too. So what happened after that? As you see right now, it's working. Let me put the passcode. As you see guys, it's working, everything fine, and yeah, working very well. Not shutting down, nothing wrong with it right now. It's everything fine. And I tested after putting the graphic card inside of the iMac A1312, and yeah, I tested this iMac maybe it's 2 weeks, and it didn't make any problem, and it's always working and nothing shutting down, and loading very well, and everything perfect. So in my case, it worked out. I don't know in your case whatever you have problem, but try to, if you have a graphic card problem, you can make it this way solution. Once again, I will tell you guys again, and just cook it on oven 380 Fahrenheit and 8 minutes. And I have a video about this, how you can cook the graphic card, and you will see that exactly what I did, and now I am succeed. And I just want to update this success, and good luck to you guys too. If you guys have any problem about anything, let me know that I can make a video about that issue. And thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Alright guys, bye bye.